I know. You really like watching your sister, don't you? I know you do. I know you do. Your sister loves you too. Yes, yes, you're such a good kid. You're so happy. Yep, you're so happy. Yeah, I know. I know. Can you tell me your stories? Can you tell me your stories? Yeah. I know. What nice stories you have. Ooh. I know. I know. Tell me your stories. Tell me your little stories. Aren't you funny? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, oh. 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 Yeah. Oh, you're wrapping up your baby with Claire's blanket? Is she cold? Maybe you should wrap up her feet and let her head stick out. I know, isn't your sister funny? Isn't your sister funny? Baby. Baby. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Oh. Well, I think... What was that? Was that exciting? I know. You're going to cover Sissy up now? Leave her mouth open. We want to see that pretty smile. Can you give Sissy a kiss? Wow. Your teeth? You're tired. You're acting a little drunk. I know. And this one, she's just laughing. She's just laughing. You're not ready to babysit yet. No, she's not. No, she's not ready to babysit. She's not ready to babysit. She's just not. I know. I know. Ooh. Oh, Claire. Is that doggy rocking you? It's so interesting around here. Now you just want to look at the camera. You loving that baby?